Hello to the dear Geminis. I am Akansha from Antarnana Tarot Reading. Today I'll be doing your oracle card reading for mid-month June. I'll be using two decks today. The first one is Healing with the Angels deck and the other one is the Romance Angels deck. So you can think about your question and I'll be guiding you with your answers through these two decks today. So, starting with the first deck, which is Healing with the Angels. Before starting with your reading, first of all, I would like the God, the Almighty, the Supreme Power to come and bless my cards so that they can help us know about the solutions for the problems that you are facing in your life today, or whatever messages these cards or God or angels wants to give you. You can be guided by those answers and you can work accordingly. So starting with this deck, by the time I charge my cards and I work with them, I would like you to think about the question. Okay, so the card for Geminis, the card is Divine Guidance. Now what this card is telling me is there are certain steps that needs to be taken in your life. There are certain actions that needs to be taken right now. There are certain decisions which can change your entire world, and God is there with you, guiding with the best answers, the best possible answers, which will help you in your future. So during this time, I would suggest you that follow your intuitions, follow the follow the messages that you are receiving in your dreams, or if you are hearing some voices, or if somewhere your gut feeling is working, then don't ignore your gut feeling, don't ignore your intuition, whether it is your career part, whether it is your relationship or your work or anything. If there is certain decisions or anything that is bothering you that needs to be considered, and somewhere you are feeling that yes, I should take this step or I should do something like this, then do not ignore those messages, because those messages are from the heaven side. So by this card, God actually wants to tell you that he is giving you the divine guidance, he is protecting you, he is working with you, he is protecting you, guiding you, he is with you, and the angels are providing you the best answers possible in any way. So don't ignore and just follow the path that God is showing you. So now I'll be using the other deck, which is the Romance Angels deck. Particularly, I'll be concentrating with your relationship part by using this deck. So again, starting with the same thing, I'll be charging my cards. I'll be asking God to come and bless my cards so that I can get clear reading. I can give you correct answers, accurate answers. So let's start with the Romance Angels. Okay, it's safe for you to love. Now, what else do you want? So, Geminis can actually fall in love right now, and it is also safe for you. Okay, so by drawing this card, what intuition I am getting is, if you are, since your previous card also said that God is following you, God is guiding you, and if you are worried about your relationship, if you are worried about whether the person you have chosen is right or wrong, or whether you should be with the person you are currently with, or whether you should work in a new relationship. So, whatever decision you are going to take, in any ways, it is safe for you to love. See, love binds two people, and what actually matters in a relationship is the love and care. So open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. So to summarize both the cards, what all I would suggest you is follow your gut feelings, follow what your heart says. If your heart wants to fall in love for somebody, then you should go ahead without thinking about it too much. So these are your mid-month reading. I'll be coming up next month with again your mid-month oracle readings. You can share your feedback and you can also follow me, which is very easy. You can find the link below, and you can also visit my online store. You can buy the products. There are variety of ranges available. You can even gift a tarot reading or oracle reading to your loved ones. So wish you all the best. Have a great time. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.